Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this session that is dedicated mainly actually to a project that we're going to have on the lunar observations. And I know a lot of you are not here. As a matter of fact, the vast majority of you are not here live. And that's fine because we're going to record this session. Actually, I started the recording already, and it should be posted sometime today. Hopefully, if not, then worst case scenario, you will have the recording tomorrow. So by the time you're watching this, you should be able to see that. Now, again, it is actually highly recommended that at this point, actually in the semester, to subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you go to YouTube and put my name in there, you should be able to find it. And that way you will get the recordings. These recordings, the minute they hit YouTube, you have access to them. And also, I mean, after I upload them to YouTube, I'll have to basically go back to Canvas and adjust the links and everything else to make them available. But if you do subscribe to there, you should find these recordings as soon as possible. That's one thing. The other thing also, the reason why you would want to do that, and that's actually the other item I'm going to discuss today, and that has to do with, for example, help with the class in general, and specifically, for example, when it comes to homework assignments. I have received several questions related to the homework assignments. Some I answered explicitly because they were kind of short, and others because I know that they were long and they would require a little bit more time dedicated to them to go through the question basically that is asked, because they were kind of vague in general. That's why they require a little bit more time. So what happened then is and you probably should have received the message today. Today is actually September 20th. It's a Wednesday. You should have received a message related to this homework assignments that they were all pushed to October 21st. There is a whole reason. There is an important reason why I did that, and that has to do with, of course, the fact that we have an exam going on, we have a midterm, and I really want you guys to focus on the midterm at this point, as its weight is far more greater than all the homework assignments combined. So if you look at the syllabus, you should see that the midterms in general, they add up more than the projects and also the homework assignments. So the focus really should be on the exam or the midterm. However, because projects are actually timed and we really don't have any kind of a choice to move them around, so the projects also are important in terms of when they should be turned in and when they should actually be conducted. So that's another reason why we're meeting today is actually going to be on the project, and we're going to talk about that. So the homework assignment has been changed. The due dates have been changed to way in October. The third week of October, October 21st, it's going to be a Saturday. There is a session that is going to be planned, or actually it's planned already, for October 4th, dedicated solely to the homework. So we go through the homework on that day and hopefully answer all the questions that needs to be done for all the homework. That's not the only homework that you have, okay? So there are a few more homeworks that are coming down the road, homework assignments that are coming down the road. So we should address all of them hopefully there. Now, talking about homework assignment and also a YouTube channel, a lot of this assignments, and as a matter of fact, a lot of this material is actually on the YouTube channel. So if you go there and look for homework assignments related to astronomy, of course, because there is a lot more material than just the astronomy classes, you should be able to find the resources you need. From now until October 4th, I'm going to go back to the sessions that were recorded in the fall of 2022 and also in the spring of 2023, and try to pull those resources and actually share them with you on October 4th. And before that, I'm going to send the links to on Canvas. So this is hopefully addresses the issue of the homework. Granted that I really don't want you to think of the homework at this point. So at this point, the focus is going to be on the midterm. So that takes precedence over everything at this point because of its impact overall on your grade. That's why I changed the due date on that homework assignment. Makes sense for the few who are here? This issue of the homework?
Yes.
Sounds good? Okay, very good. Thank you. Anyway, so thank you, Nayeli. Anyway, the point is, as I was saying, we're going to talk about the project. The exam is important. Make sure you complete the review and go for the exam ready to do that. Okay, so the way the review works in here is you are required to do it. Okay, and its grade is part of your participation grade, which is another section for this class. If you take the review and let's say, for example, you answer only 3 questions and you decide, you know what, I'm called somewhere else, I need to go somewhere else, I need to check on the dog or something else. At that point, Canvas will give you full credit. Does this mean that you met the requirement in terms of preparing for the exam? Absolutely not. You met the requirement as far as meaning that you did the review, but you did not really prepare for the exam. You really have to make sure you have to go thoroughly through all the details of the review, come back to it, and answer all the questions, go through them. There are 3 levels of questions in the review usually. The ones that sound kind of obvious and you do well in them right away and you know that they are correct, so there is no question about them, and that's good. You put them aside. So you know if something similar like this happens in the actual midterm, you're going to ace that part. There's no question about it. And then there are things that you think that they are obvious, or you think the answer to them is, let's say, for example, this section. And when you go through the review and you look at the correct answer, you find a different one. But then when you think about it for a moment, it makes sense that the correct answer is the one that is not the one that you chose initially. And that too, in a sense, you put it aside, because at that point, you know exactly that if something similar again happens in the exam, that you're fine with it. You have no problem with it. Okay. Now there is a third type, and those are the ones that really require a little bit more work. And those are the ones that you think the correct answer is something, or you have probably not seen the type of question, so you don't know which one is the correct one at all among all of the choices that you have, or you're zeroed in on a specific answer, but then when you see it, it's kind of a strange, it's kind of basically out of place, it's kind of something that requires more digging on your part, meaning you have to actually open the book, go to the chapter, go through the section that needs to be reviewed, and actually make sure that you're convinced and know that the correct answer is the one that Canvas has chosen for you. So this requires more work. So that's basically, you classify them and you see, okay, this is good, good, good. No, this one is probably, oh, okay, this is good, but this one probably I'm going to put it aside for further research. Once you also clarify that, and hopefully it falls into the same category as the previous ones. If not, that is when you reach out. Or actually, I should correct myself. You can reach out any moment, okay? Whether you think that that requires more work or not, I really don't want you to spend a lot of time on any specific question. If you find yourself spending more than like 5 minutes, 6 minutes per item, 10 minutes at worst, then you're spending a lot of time on a specific item. That is the time when you really want to reach out. Send me a message saying, I looked at this question, this is what it says, but I'm kind of confused. Why is that so? So we can sit down and talk about it, whether on online or in person in my office in here, and hopefully we clarify that item. So that's the 3 kinds of questions that you're going to be facing when you're doing your review. So make sure you clear the ones that are easy to clear, and also the ones that are kind of iffy, but they're easily also board. I mean, you can do them fine. And then the ones that really they're going to give you a little bit of more hard time. Those are the ones that you really need to spend time on them. Now you're ready for the midterm. Now, your grade is not going to be impacted once you start a review. You're going to get full credit. So if you do it again and again and again and again, that's not going to change anything. So you're going to get the full credit that you deserve for engaging in the class and basically preparing for your midterm. The only way you cannot get full credit for your review is by not doing it. So that's basically, you will get 0 at that point. And that's not good. I mean, because that means that you're not really or should I have to say, putting the effort necessary to pass the class. So you really need to do that. You need to go through the review and go through it seriously. So again, the focus today, and I know I have one person who just joined us. The focus today is going to be on the exam, midterm, not on the homework. Okay. The midterm, you go through the review, you prepare the review, you get full credit for it, and then actually you do the midterm, which is usually it's a 2-day thing. 2-day. It opens on a Thursday morning and it's due the night after on Friday evening. So you have all of that time, and that's an important point. Please do not leave it to the last minute and start working on your exam. That is actually bad planning on your part, I should say. Try to do it the minute that you have time, hopefully on the first day. You don't want to run into a problem the day after where you're called for work or you have another assignment due, whether in this class or another class, or you have the internet is down or there is no access to the STEM center because it's a Friday and they don't let you in. You came in late and they say, sorry, we can't let you inside to do your exam. So in order to avoid all of these problems, try to do it actually on Thursday as soon as you can. Obviously, you need to make sure you have at least the allotted time, about 2 hours really, sitting between them, getting your coffee ready, getting whatever drink you need to get, and then sit down and work on your midterm, and hopefully you're done with it as soon as possible. If in case you have other classes, you're in high school, and I know some of you are, and you not do it during daytime, you still have that evening to work on it. Okay. I don't want you to leave it to the evening on Friday and then you have a problem in doing the exam. Okay, so this is the exam for the homework. I don't know, I think Michael just joined us. Basically is that the homework assignment has been changed. The due date has been changed to way back in October. And even if you submitted it, you can still submit an updated version of your assignment because of the fact that we will have a dedicated session on it on October 4th, which is in about 2 weeks from today. I mean, today is September 20th, okay? So on October 4th, we're going to focus then on the homework assignment and address all the questions that you guys have. And hopefully by then I would have dug up a lot of resources from previous recordings on YouTube. Okay, so that's the plan for the exam, and that's the plan for the homework. Which brings me to the third item of the discussion today, and the main focus of today, which has to do with the project that we have coming. And I know it's posted on Canvas, so I'm going to share that screen with you and go through it, hopefully step by step, so that you guys know what to expect. The project is not going to start today. It's going to start on October 7th. So the first observation, I should say, is on October 7th. Assignment is posted so that you have some questions that you can start answering, but then the rest of the questions or the observations, the actual observations are going to be done on October 7th, that's a Saturday, on October 14th, that's a Saturday, on October 21st, that's a Saturday, on October 28th, which is also a Saturday. So those are your observation nights, okay? So let me share with you the screen concerning this project. Share the lunar observation. Does everybody see the screen in here that says lunar observation? And I know I picked up one of the classes because I have both classes actually have the same product. And I'm in student view. You guys see it? Please, I will need one person to confirm. Okay, thank you, Sharon, or Melissa, that is. Okay, so here is the project. So this project is due on November 18th. So the due date for it is plenty of time. You should have all the time in the world to do your observations, but you have to do them on those specific dates. You can't do them on your other dates. So they have to be specific on those dates. But starting from now, you should be able to get your project. You're supposed to read all of this one, learn about the moon phases. The book also goes in a little bit more detail, pictures and all of that on the moon phases. So hopefully you're going to go through that, okay? It has two questions that you can actually answer now if you want to. And I'm going to go into how you're going to do that, okay? Then again, the observations are going to be on or around October 7th. I know I said on October 7th, which is a Saturday, but it should also have the or around. There is a reason for that or around. And that is because sometimes, because of the clouds, because of the rain, you will not be able to see the moon. So the way it works is the following. On October 6th, which is the Friday before, you're supposed to go out and do your scouting for the moon. Okay? Look for the moon, see its position in the sky, see its shape in the sky, and hopefully you know what to do the next day, which is the observation day, October 7th. So when I said October 7th, which is a Saturday, the work actually starts on October 6th. October 6th, when you actually go and do your scouting. Now, if October 6th, which is a Friday, happened to be where the inclement weather is, where either a rain or clouds or something, and you cannot find it, or you cannot find it even if it's clear sky, okay? You go out 9 p.m., it's not there. You go out, I'm sorry, around 6 p.m., you don't find it. 9 p.m., 10 p.m., you don't find it. 11 p.m., you're sleepy and tired, drowsy, and you look and you don't find it. You wake up hopefully early in the morning on the 7th, around 5 a.m., getting ready to work. You look for the moon and probably you don't find it either. Okay, so now maybe, and there is no clouds. Okay. So now you go back on that same evening of the 7th and you start looking for it and do the similar thing. Hopefully you find it, okay? You have documented already your observations for the 6th and you didn't find it. So there's no harm in that, okay? Or you document your observations on the 6th saying that, look, I looked, but there was a clouds, okay? I can't see the moon because there's clouds, okay? It's covered everywhere. And the patch where it's not covered, I didn't see it anyway. So that's basically how it was. Now, on the 7th, hopefully it clears enough for you to do better observations on that day. Now, if the 6th and the 7th are all problems, namely you couldn't find the moon even if it was clear, or you couldn't see it because it was not clear, the skies were not clear, then in that case, you have to do the 8th in this case, which is a Sunday. So the observations are really supposed to be 2 nights, potentially could we go 3 nights, okay? So on Sunday now, you're required to do it. Here in Southern California, it's very rare that there will be 3 days of clouds, okay? And if it is, okay? You can't do anything about it. You're not going to come on Monday and start doing observations. Okay, so we're just going to report that those findings in your report on as far as the 7th is concerned. The same thing goes for the 14th, and I'm going to talk more about the 14th. The same thing goes for the 21st, meaning the 20th, which is a Friday, I do my scouting, and then on the 21st, I do my actual observations. And then if both of them fail, I have to do the 22nd, which is actually Sunday. Now, that's why the word around in here. If I am lucky enough, the Friday when I did my scouting was clear. But then the 7th or the Saturday, I'm supposed to do the observations. It was not clear. It's cloudy. And so was Sunday. So in this case, my data of the 6th becomes go into my report. I have looked at the moon on the Friday, and this is its shape, or this is how it looks like. Then I scratch the 7th and put that as being recording for the 6th in here, or the 14th in here, or the 21st in here, or the 28th in here. Okay, so that's the plan. The plan is you will have to dedicate 2 nights, potentially 3, for each and every one of these 4 observations for a whole 4-week cycle, basically. Okay, we're going for a lunar month, for a lunar, basically going from one shape of the moon all the way back to the same phase of the moon on that cycle. So that's the whole plan. Okay. Now, I'm going to talk about the 14th and the 28th because they have actually, you're kind of lucky this your fall of 2023 happened to have a really a gift from the heavens, if you want to put it that way. The 14th is actually going to be a solar eclipse. So you know upfront it's going to be seen in the morning of Saturday around 9:25 in the morning here in Southern California. But you still are required to go and look for it on the 13th, which is the night before. And you're not going to find it, but at least so that you train your eye and you train yourself on doing observations and looking at the sky, just go around 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. Obviously, you're not going to see it, but just to document your observations, part of your documentation for the report. On the 14th of the morning of the 14th, the college is actually preparing a big event in here on campus. You are highly encouraged to attend it. You will be given some of this glasses that are used to observe the solar eclipse, okay? So basically you're going to bend it and you're going to look directly into the sun with it. Don't use your sunglasses, even if they're labeled UV or whatever they're labeled, okay? Don't look at the sun directly with them. They're going to damage your eye. The trouble with the solar eclipse on the 14th is going to be a partial solar eclipse. It's not going to be a full solar eclipse. Let me stop sharing to show you what I'm talking about in here. So this is the glasses that you're supposed to have. You can buy them from Amazon. I think they come bunched into like a 10 or something for like $15, costing about $1.50. If you don't want to spend a dime on them, you don't worry about it. Just come in here early enough. It's on a first come, first serve basis on the 14th, and you should have yours ready to look at them. And make sure, please, when you look for them, make sure that they are ISO compliant. Okay, if you're going to buy them on your own, make sure that they're compliant. Okay, because some of them they sell them. I know that they made them cheap somewhere, probably in, I don't know where they make them, but those are not going to be 100% safe for your eye. So you would want the ones that you get them when you look for them in Google to make sure that they are ISO compliant for solar observations, so that you don't damage your eye. Okay, because they can be really, really if you look directly into the sun, even for a few seconds, it's really not good. Okay. So use these glasses, hopefully on the 14th. There will be this one's given. There will be a lot of information also shared on the 14th. There will be concessions also in here. There will be actually telescopes brought by the Astronomical Society of San Bernardino in here. They will bring filters with them so that we can look at the sun. And I will share with you guys probably on Canvas still on how to make your own telescope, which is you can make it for something like under $5. Just basically discarded boxes, and you can use it to see the eclipse, and you can use it actually to look at the sun. So you can make it a homemade one if you want to. And actually, if you Google it right now, you should find all kinds of instructions on how to make one on your own. And also the art gallery will be open on that day. So there will be a lot of basically a big event. Come in, bring your family, and if you have small brothers and sisters or small kids or something with you, that they are welcome. And it's going to be a big event here on campus in the central region of the campus, where there is that big open area where we have direct view for the solar eclipse, and also near, I don't know if you guys know I think most of you now, since we are back on campus, know exactly the campus, near the Greek theater where the planetarium also is. Depending on that day, it's going to be October 14th. If the construction for the planetarium is finished, because they're renovating the entire planetarium. They're putting in new AC units there, and they're doing all kinds of maintenance to it. So if it's ready, we may have some Some shows it's going to be again on a limited basis, on a first come first serve basis. So to go through the tour there, and actually there is an observatory there. I don't think that we can use that observatory unless we have the proper filters for it. It's perfect for night observation of objects in the sky, like for example the planets and probably also the stars or actually the nebula, but not for solar eclipse if we don't have the proper filters for it. So this is basically the October 14th. It's a big event. So I'm hoping that you guys will come in. Now, if you don't attend this campus event, you are still required to do your own observations because it's going to be graded. So if you happen to be traveling and you're, I don't know, somewhere, then you're going to dedicate the time allocated for your observations on the 14th, regardless of where you are, okay? Here in Southern California, in San Bernardino, is going to be a partial eclipse. If you travel up north, very much north, I think it has to be in the, probably you have to cross to the border of Oregon or go to probably northern parts of what is that, Nevada, and probably actually also New Mexico and places like that. So if you go around the country, the solar eclipse, you're going to be in the path of totality, meaning that's you're not going to be a partial eclipse, it's going to be a total eclipse. The only problem with this eclipse is not going to be it's going to be an annular eclipse. The moon is not covering completely the sun because it's a little bit closer to the Earth at that time. It's in its and it doesn't, I'm sorry, it's further, I'm sorry, did I say? Closer, yes, closer. It doesn't cover the entire sun. So there is like a ring around called the Ring of Fire, okay? That is going to be coming out. Even if you are in the city of Albuquerque, New Mexico, where the path of totality is going to happen. So you're going to see a ring around the sun, okay, that forms for about 4 or 5 minutes, okay? That's where the time for the total solar eclipse that's going to happen. And even in our area in here, the partial eclipse will take for about 4 or 5 minutes, basically, of the solar eclipse. The actual solar eclipse will start early, starts around 8 a.m. And of course, you're not going to notice any changes in the light at the outside. And but gradually it's going to start to dim, and it's going to basically the maximum eclipse is going to happen around 9:25 in the morning, and then after that it's going to start to fade again, so that the sun will appear again. So that is October 4th, October 14th. I'm sorry, October 14th, where you're required to do your lunar observations anyway, and this is part of your assignment. Okay. Sounds exciting, everybody? Yes? Okay, very good. Thank you. Okay, if it's not exciting, it's required anyway. So sorry about that, okay? Anyway, so the other thing also is October 28th. October 28th is actually going to be the opposite, okay? It's going to be a lunar eclipse, not a solar eclipse, meaning it's going to happen at night. There is nothing planned for that on October 28th. So you're on your own, okay? You have to go out and see the moon basically being covered by the Earth, okay? And the moon will lose light and then it's going to come out again. So again, you're going to look at that, okay? You're going to do your observations on that day, and hopefully you enjoy it with your family, with your loved ones. You go out at night, have a nice family time, and also you're fulfilling your requirement for this class, okay? So you're kind of blessed this group of Astronomy 120 this semester. Obviously, this assignment is a graded assignment, and the rubric is below showing you how it's going to be graded. So let me show you how you're going to submit your report. Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing the screen, and I'm going to share with you another screen in here. Stop sharing. Let me move this window to the other screen so that I can share, because it's in this screen. So let me share with you now the astronomy report in here. Share the PDF file, basically. I forgot to mention, let me go back. Let me share this thing in here quickly. and share with you two things in here in the actual. I have to move back to the screen. Let me share again where we were earlier to show you how you get to two important information in here. Share the lunar observation. Okay. On this, on the project itself, there are two files. Okay. There is a PDF file and a Word file, depending on what you like. Okay. I personally prefer the PDF file, and if you're not too familiar with it, or it gives you difficulty, or if it doesn't work for you, then use the Word file. If you're going to use the PDF file, don't open it with Chrome. Don't open it with Internet Explorer. Don't open it with what is that one? What is it called? Firefox? I think it's called Firefox. I have it in here. Yeah, Firefox, or even Mozilla, or whatever browser you have. Don't open it with a browser, end of the story. Open it with an Adobe Reader, like the one that Adobe makes, okay? Open it with that one. And I will tell you why you will have problems if you open it with anything but Adobe Reader, okay? It's a fillable file, and you will run into a problem basically filling the fields in there. If you run into a problem with this PDF file, use the Word file. Microsoft Word should work on any basically computer. And since you are a student of the college, you should have a free version of Microsoft Word. So you can download it and work with it. And you should have Microsoft Word anywhere for other projects, not necessarily this one. Okay. So these are the two things. So I downloaded already the PDF file, and I'm going to do my report using the PDF file. So let me stop sharing this screen so that we can share the PDF file. So in here, let me go back into that screen, and let me go to share. And at this point, we're going to have this file. Okay. Do you guys look at something that says Astronomy 120 fall of 2023, basically related to a PDF file? At least one person, please confirm. Thank you very much, Melissa. Anyway, so this is the PDF file. If you open the Word file, it's no different. It's very, very similar, okay? So basically, I will use this one to submit my report, okay? I will use this one to submit my report and answer all the questions. I don't have to do anything else. I don't have to type anything. Obviously, you could type, or you can even print it and handwrite it, okay? You can print it on your computer and start filling it by hand. That's fine too, okay? But why would you want to do that? This is actually much easier for you to do instead of start typing a lot of writing a lot of things and then scanning them, and probably you'll not find the scanner. This is ready for you to go. All you have to do is basically come to question one and start answering, okay? So whatever you want to put in here, you're going to answer in there, and that's the end of it. And note that it's giving me nonsense stuff in here because it actually gives me a rich text environment, meaning that if it finds something that is not proper English, it gives me the squiggly underneath of it that I need to correct it because it's not proper English. This word is English, so it's fine. So actually, it can help you also with the spelling, because please make sure that you answer all of the questions in full sentence format, and so that you communicate your answer in a legible fashion, first of all, in an intelligent manner, so that you express the answer. Obviously, the first question is, you're looking at these pictures in here. This is the moon phase that you're supposed to find, and this is where the sun is, okay? And the question is asking you, is the moon in position A or B, C or D, or E, okay? If you go through reading through this and understand the cycle, from the new moon all the way back to the new moon again, you should be able to find which way the sun is going to hit the moon and which side it's not going to be visible and which side is not going to be visible. And based on that, are we in the beginning of the lunar month or are we at the end of the lunar month? And this crescent in here will tell me exactly, are we in the first quarter, the second quarter, the first quarter, or the fourth quarter? That's the only answer to it, okay? Because it's a crescent. Anyway, so you should be able to answer that. Now, let's say, for example, the correct answer is C, and I'm not saying it's C, okay? So don't go and quote me and say that the correct answer for part 1 is C. Then you will be left with A, B, and D, and E, okay? That means that A, B, and D, and E, I have to come in here and put the letter in here. This is A, this is B, this is D, this is E, and that's my answer, okay? It may be wrong, okay? And I can tell you up front it's wrong, okay? So you need to fix it, okay? But then I have to draw how the moon would look like in position A and B and D and E. I have to put them in here. If this is A, then I'm going to draw how it looks like. There are two ways of doing this one. If you're good with Microsoft Paint or any drawing thing that you can use, digital drawing, is that you can use that, or you can hand sketch it with your hand and take a picture of it, upload it to your computer, and come in here and click on this one and browse to find where the image is, okay? Browse to find where the image is. So once you find it, so let me go to folder and pick up a picture in here. Do I have a picture on this Astronomy 100? I don't have a picture, do I? Let me go back into, oh man, fall of 2023. So I'm looking for a picture, okay? It doesn't matter which picture I am. Okay, this is not good. Do I have any picture in here? No. I don't have pictures in here that are probably do I have pictures in here? Okay, this is a sonic rangefinder. Let me pick up this picture, okay? Open it. Obviously, your picture is something that you're gonna take and basically scan it in there and give it a good name and put it in a place where you can easily find it, okay? Don't do what I just did, okay? And say, okay. So now it's going to go there. It's going to be part of my report. Okay, so this is how the moon looks like. Sorry, okay. Hopefully you guys get the picture, get the point, okay? That you're gonna hand draw or do something with the paint and then save that file and say, okay, this is A and this is how the moon looks like. Obviously, it's not gonna look like this at all. This is a sonic finder that's used on an Arduino board. I don't even have an Arduino board. I have a Raspberry Pi in here, okay? Something like this, okay? So that's what they use it for projects in here, okay? Anyway, so hopefully you guys understand the point in here, or at least the process of how this report works. I couldn't find anything in here. I did not hand draw anything. So now we answered this part in here, okay? There is something I forgot to mention here. You have to put your name in here. That's important when you submit this report. Then after I answer this part, which is ready now, you should be able to do it right away. You don't have to wait for it until October 7th when this project is. Then comes October 7th, okay? If I did my observations on October 7th, I'm reporting October 7th, so I'm gonna do the date picker. So I'm gonna put October 7th. If October 7th was a problem, and it was actually October 6th, I'm gonna report October 6th, the date in here. So there is this nice date picker from here. And then the time when I actually did the observation, okay? Let's say, for example, it was at 9:10 p.m. I don't have to be with the seconds, okay? Hours and minutes is perfect. The shape of the moon, okay? Half lit or very much, I couldn't see it, okay? Or full moon, okay? I mean, completely lit or this much lit in it, okay? So here, try to describe it, that's all. You don't have to be scientific. And here, you have to go and see if it's a crescent. Obviously, there is a crescent that is increasing inside, that is actually a waxing crescent, or a waning crescent, the crescent that is diminishing. So now, if it's a crescent, you just say it's a crescent. And here, you're going to name that phase. Based on which side is lit, you should be able to tell me, okay? And then the position in here, you're not required to give me the angles exactly. You're not going to go and find the right ascension and the declination and try to be too scientific about it. No, relatively speaking, where is my office now? I'm sorry. This is north, okay? Let's say, for example, I saw it southwest, okay, on that day. So this way. So I'm going to say it's about southwest. If I put my hand straight out, that's 0 degrees. That's right smack with the horizon. If I put my hand straight up, that's 90 degrees. Right in between is about 45 degrees. Half of that is about 25 degrees, okay? So use your hand and come up with a rough estimate. 90 degrees, 0 degrees, midway is 45 degrees, and roughly in between them, between 45 and 0 degrees, or between 45 and 90 degrees. Not exact. Okay, I want to answer that upfront from here, because some students in the past, they tend to inquire, and I couldn't find the exact how to measure this angle. No, you don't have to measure it. Use your hand. Okay, that's actually a very good tool. Okay, to find it. That's that. Now you're supposed to draw again how the moon look like. Again, you're going to do the sun, something similar. You're going to browse your computer and find the corresponding picture that go with it. Okay. What is this one in here? What does this image look like? Let me. Okay. Let's say, for example, this is how it looks like. Okay. I don't know. You have already drawn it, or you have already sketched it by hand, and you upload the image similar to the first one. I did my observation now on the 14th. I mean the 7th. Now the 14th. Hopefully you came in here and enjoyed yourself and did that. Again, the 21st and the 28th, and finally you're supposed to put your conclusion in here for the project, and you can go ahead and submit it. You have until October 18th to submit it. Okay, hopefully I covered most of how the project is going to be handled first, and then how it's going to be reported. And if you have difficulty with it, please communicate to me. Don't leave it, I mean, up to later on. I said something several times, you can start the project today, but don't do it today. Please focus on the midterm first, okay? That takes precedence over everything else happening in your class right now. Once you're done with the midterm, then you can come in here and start working on this one. Obviously, you have quizzes, you have homework. Now we talked about it, and you probably have other classes also that you need to make sure you do, and you meet all the requirements for them. Sounds good? Okay, thank you, Melissa. Unless you guys have questions, thank you, Sharon. Unless you guys have questions related to this few items that we discussed in here, I'm going to stop the recording. I'm going to post the recording tonight, hopefully, if I have it available. If not, it should be available sometime tomorrow for everybody else who did not attend live, and actually for your benefit too, because you might come back later on to it, and you probably want to know, for example, how did we browse and how did we find that file and everything else. So it's actually it's going to benefit everybody, whether you're here or not. Okay. If everything is good, I'm going to stop the recording. So let me go back to that screen where I was. Let me find where the recording was. And I don't see it. Okay, here it is. So I'm going to stop it, and I'm going to see you guys on October the 4th now. Thank you.